And after we have done implementing the category management module, we need to update the website homepage to display the categories and menu items. Here's our tag list. First, we need to update the home service class to retrieve a list of categories from the database. And then we update the header JSP page to display the categories in the menu of the website homepage. And you see this here the categories in website homepage. In the header, we have the categories appear here. And when the user click on a category, the website lists the books belong to that category. For example, if click programming, all books belong to programming category are listed here. Now let's update the home sublist class. We have the home sublist class here that is